We are on our way to Indianapolis. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy, in yet another PEZ room. We are adding another collection to the PEZ log. Thank you very much, SC PEZ Rob. All right. So if you notice, the dispensers are kept on with this sticky museum tack stuff, and it holds them in place and prevents them from being dominoed over. That's really cool. All the different variations. So over here, you'll see some items like the Practical Pig, Petunia Pig, Henry Hawk, even Foghorn Leghorn. You can also find them on no-foot stems. So definitely keep your eye open for those. They can be found footed as well. Look at this here. Oh, the different Charlies. Look at her eyes. You can see the white around them. That is the white eyes. So, and then the Psycho Lucy is the all-white printing. Very cool. Oh, look at this. All kinds of fabric. Whoa. And here we see this wall lined. These are some really cool acrylic displays. Just hung right on the wall. Holds the dispensers very well. And here you can see the box sets line the top. With some giants here. And a regular size Frankenstein, why not? Oh, look at that. Elvis is in the house. I like these displays here. Especially the witch. Ooh, starry candy. Great PEZ, the champion of PEZ. Like, ooh, Frisbee. Frisbee time is always Saturday a.m. Or Saturday at 3 a.m. Please excuse me. Alright, let's look at some more. Oh, we have a bunch of art over here. As well as some dispensers. Because, you know, when you're in your workroom, you gotta have PEZ right above your desk. Very cool. And then here are some Display Pals display boards. I've always liked these. As you can see, they have these little tabs that hold your dispensers in place. Oh, look at all the custom C3POs. Rory does such a great job. Such a great job. And some Funko Pops. With some Pop PEZ. Oh, Yellow Deadpool, all right. Oh, Quake's there. Oh, both versions of the Crunchberry monster. Very cool. And a Santa army. This is how Santa Claus comes to town. Okay, sorry to break it to you folks, but yeah, there's an army of Santa. And here are their leaders. Oh wow, look at this. Seasick Santa. Oh no. Poor Santa. Oh, these are really cool. Showing the blueprint. Awesome. Hey, PEZ flag and a PEZ hat. All right. And here we see some really cool... What? Yeah, some really cool dude back here. It's Josh. How you doing, Josh? Yeah. But we see some really cool fantasy as well. I mean, not as cool as Josh, but regardless. Oh. Nice fantasy dispensers there. Oh. with art to match. Oh, that's really cool. Little coffins. That's neat. Hey! We need more leprechaun Pez. And clovers. Just saying. Just saying. Pez bottle decorated back here. That's really neat. Oh. The mystery dispenser down there. Oh, look at that. And there's a peep in with some custom peeps. That's neat. Oh, and these little cars. Look, and all the mobile Pez. Even more. Ooh, bucket. I wonder if it's got candy in it. Tasty candy. And you know, here's a problem. Run out of room with your Pez and you have to bury some Pez. There's never enough room in a Pez room. Oh, that's neat. Oh, look at that. Is there cookies inside? Nope, it's full of Pez. That's awesome, that's awesome. Oh, and you know what time it is, don't you? Pez time? Yep. Yep. Very cool display with the Peter Pez card on top. The Hello Kitty fuzzy friend keychain type things, yeah, you can find them in these. And you can find the fuzzy friend keychains in them too. Different variation for you to collect, not just on these little bubbles. Oh, look at that cat. That's a blue cat. Never seen a blue cat. Look at this display. Another one full of Pez candy. Oh, and here we get into some cool vintage. There's an alien! See everything on the PEZ book. Maybe we'll see a UFO next. Oh, the red hat on Popeye. Did he ever have a red hat in the comics? Or in the cartoons? Some micro items. Oh, those marbles are really cool. Pig stuff! Oh, right, from the first and second pig. Awesome. And here's some more rolling stock. And remember, kids, Pez is candy. That's it. It's candy, not a toy company. Candy company. And here you see some more custom fantasy items. These are really cool. A Death Star turned into a Buckeye nut. Very neat. What a cool opportunity to be able to film this collection. And hanging on the door to the closet, and there's even more in boxes. Very cool, but if you notice behind here are all of the boxes for the dispensers that are way over there in the corner. But here we go. Yet another cool Pez room. Thank you very much for letting us film this. So awesome. So until next time. Oh, look at this cool light cover here for your light switches. This is really cool. This has been such a... What? Wait a minute. What happened? Where did all the Pez go? This was a Pez room. We were here. Yeah, I'm still here. Whoa. What's going on? And when you do a big buyout like this, sometimes you'll hear this noise. Can you hear the high-pitched noise? Which container is it coming from? Wait a minute. It's getting louder. I think it's in here. So loud. Send to the dragon! We found one! What is that noise? Alright, so the lesson here is when you do a big buyout, make sure anything with batteries. Look at all the PEZ. Look at all the PEZ! I bet you it's one of those phones. See if we can find it!